Uyabona, uma kuwukuthi uwumzali ole channel Meaningful Conversations with Zande Mfeka podcast, uyabuka, usubscribeile, ulikile, uyakhomenta. Uma umzali angikhathali noma umzali wesilisa, wesifazane, wesitabane, we-lesbian, we-intersex, whatever kind of umzali you are, whether adoptile noma ngabe uyinhlobo, as long as kunomuntu othi kuwena ma noma umuntu othi kuwena baba, ngiyacela awenzeli mina, wenzeli kusasa labantu abakho. Ngicela ukuthi ingane yakho ethu ubambisise kuloko kunako. Uma kuwukuthi ukholelwa kuShembe, ukholela kuNkulunkulu, ukholela kuJesu, ukholela kuMuslim, ukholela ku-Allah, ukholela kuBuddha, ukholela noma ngabe yini okholelwa kuyona njengamanje, yiso lesi sikhathi sokuthi uyenzisise, uyenze uqinisisise ngani, ngoba ikusasa ley'ngane zethu alikho bright. We say we wear sunglasses because the future is bright, but ikusasa lezingane ezikhula manje alikho bright neze, limfiliba. In fact limnyama thu. Angazi noma sekuyiwo ukugoqa komhlaba, ngoba uNkulunkulu wasithembisa ukuthi angasoza aphinda agoqa umhlaba ngamanzi, ngoba angazi. Kodwa nje ngicelayo kuwena mzali, ngicela uyibambisise inkolelo onayo, into okholelwa kuyona. Uma ukuthi uyakhuleka, khuleka uqinise, ukhuleke 12 midnight, ukhuleke 3 AM in the morning, because wow, umhlaba uyagoqwa sibuka. Futhi zona izindaba engizithola recently, kunezinye nje esengizifunde over 3-4 times. Uyifunde indaba, uyifunde uphinde uyifunde, ukhale mawuqeda ukukhala, ukhuleke mawuqeda uphinde uyifunde futhi, ubusuyazibuza ukuthi ngabe iqiniso ikhona ngempela lento eshoyo lo mntana, noma kodwa futhi ubuphinde uzibuza ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongadlala ngento ebuhlungu kanje. Hayi, it's story time. Ngeke ngisiculele ngoba kumuncu, siyasha, siyangqonqa, liyabhubha.
Hello, sanibonani, Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo uMfeka, umalwandle lo, lwandle kalula lwezibhekane zona isihambela, lekude phezulu. Do join.
Inkinga zami. Ukuqala kwey'nkinga zami malwandle, kwaqala ngayo le 13th birthday party. Lesi siphihli se-13th birthday party, because remember ukuthi ngithe kuwena malwandle, izinsuku ezimbili before iphathi ngangigoyile, bengivalile erumini thizeni, ogogo bephuma bengena, uma engiyala. Yazi ngangiyalwa only now that sengikhulile sengiyabona ukuthi leza ziyalo engangiziyalwa ngalesa sikhathi iziyalo ezijwayele ukwenziwa noma ukwenzelwa umuntu osengena esigabeni sokushada. So okusho ukuthi nami either way ngangifakwa kuleso sigaba, ikona ukuthi ngangiyingane, ngangingazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi malwandle into eyenzeka ngale langa mina ngangayazi, kodwa till this day I regret how it happened and why it happened and why my parents did what they did to me. Uthi malwandle ke iyenzeka isiphihli sephathi, kube mnandi, kube nama expensive catering, kube nayo yonke le yanyikinye nale yanyokonyoko nayo yonke le nto. Mina ngiyajabula, ngiyajomba, ngiyingane mina ngokwami ngiyingane, ngiyazi yonke into eyenzakala, kanti abazali bami bayayazi bona into abayenzayo esekujuleni kwenhliziyo zabo nayisekujuleni komnotho wabo. Kahle abazali bami babeqinisa umnotho wabo ngami, okusho ukuthi ngakhethwa ngisasesiswini sikama, ngakwanikelwa ngami ngisasesiswini sikama ukuthi mina ngiyoba yile ngane yokuqala intombazane la ekhaya ezokhulisa futhi iyandise lo mnotho wala ekhaya. Angithi ngikutshelile malwandle ukuthi mina la ekhaya kunama-truck, izingqovongqobhela zama-truck, amanye acontractiwa ko-Shoprite, acontractiwa ko-Spar, contractiwa yonke inhlobo ye-truck ongayicabanga ekhaya ikhona. And it's not just trucks, they crossing border. Asidili locally thina la ekhaya, sidila international. Kanti ubaba uyazi ukuthi udila international nje, imhlatshelo emkhulu ithina zingane zakhe zamantombazane. Angazi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi angabi nabo abafana noma bake bakhona before mhlampe khona into ababenza kuyona, kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi mina nodadewethu ozemva kwami ona 22 njengoba ngikhuluma nawe njengamanje and ondlula exactly the same thing engidlule kuyona, uyisigqila sesithwalo sikababa. Lalela-ke ngikuxoxele Malwandle ukuze uyibambe kahle. Ubaba uthwele ngezingane zakhe, kodwa hhayi izingane zakhe nje, uthwele ngekusasa lazo nangobutshitshi bazo. Njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi angazi ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi angabi nabo abafana noma vele lento yakhe athwala ngayo yenza yiye controlayo ukuthi kube khona amantombazane kuphela ukuze akwazi ukuwasebenzisa for izinhloso nezifuno zakhe. Kodwa lalela-ke ngixoxela isitori esiphelele Malwandle, hlala phansi ungathingeka, ungayindawo ngoba indaba ngisiza nayo futhi yinde kodwa ngizama ukuyifinqa. Malwandle, mangi-10 13 ngayalwa ngagoyiswa 2 days. Little did I know ukuthi lowo mgoyo loyo engangiwugoyisiwe wona kuphuma kungena abantu abadala bengiyala besho lokhu bengitshela ngama-periods, bengitshela ngabafana, bengitshela ngekusasa, bengitshela ngani ngempilo. Ngiloke ngiphuziswa nezinto ezinye engangingazazi, ngidliswa ukudla kwakuspecial okwakuphekelwe mina for mina kuphela. Ngangingazi ukuthi mina kanti ngilungiselelwa ukuthi ngibe umhlatshelo omsulwa kababa ukuze lo mnotho wakhe umultiply, ukhule imihla ngemihla ungapheli. Ngazi kanjani, ngazi nini? Ngilandele. Uthi usisi, iy'nkinga zami ezinkulu zangempela zaqala sekuphela iphathi. Uthi hayi iphele-ke iphathi, ngelanga iphela ngayo iphathi, iphela iphathi ahamba ama-caterers, kuqoqwa amatende, kuqoqwa ama-jumping castles, kuqoqwa everything, ngikususwa izimbali, kuxetshulwe, ngisale-ke manje ngisengisala nefamily yami. Uthi uma ngisala nefamily yami, i-bedroom yami yashintshwa that night after I've turned 13, yashintshwa ngamuvelwa into a bedroom eyayinkulu. Le bedroom le ever since I grew up ekhaya isoloku ikhona, kwakungangeni muntu kuyona. Ngalelo langa leyo bedroom kwashintshwa ifurniture, kwashintshwa i-bedding, kwashintshwa i-setup, kwashintshwa yonke into. Uthi everything that was in that bedroom. Uthi I'm talking Egyptian sheets, I'm talking Italian furniture, I'm talking exclusive, expensive, the most expensive things you could ever find endlini yentombazanyana ena 13 years. Uthi ngamuvela kuleyo bedroom leyo, mangimuvela kuleyo bedroom I felt like a princess. Idecorate ngayo yonke into engiyithandayo, kufaka uBarbie doll, kufaka uBarbie girl, kufaka ifurniture enjani, Egyptian sheets, everything is expensive. And mind you, vele sihlala in a secluded townhouses somewhere in a very expensive area eBay in Cape Town. Uthi i-nightmare yawo wonke ama-nightmares eyangihlakalela ngalobo busuku was that zathi mazithi nje 1 AM 1 AM after midnight ngabona ubaba engena in my bedroom. Ubaba uma engena in my bedroom, ubaba ungena uphethe into eyayingazi ukuthi i-light, but le light le, and yonke lento Malwandle mayenzeka kwakungazi ukuthi ngiyaphupha, I'm deep in dreams. Remember ngikhathele kade kuyiphathi the whole day, and makade kuyiphathi the whole day ingqondo yami isagcwele ubucwebecwebe nobubazibazi nezimbazi nobuphayiphayi nawo wonke ama-lights and everything that was happening at the party. So ubaba mekangena ungena uphethe a gold thing engazi ukuthi nje is a special, isitsha special esi-oval, phakathi sinamakhandlela, sinekhandlela elibomvu, sinekhandlela eli-black, sinekhandlela eli-green, and lesi sitsha lesi si-gold, sihle siyaxobezela, engazi ukuthi indlela esidizayine ngayo, engazi ukuthi sinamagolide nama-diamonds. It looks very expensive. Funny enough ngilele kodwa ngiyambona. Uthi wangena ubaba, and uma-ke ngena ubaba ugqoke izinto ezimhlophe qwa. Ugqoke izinto ezimhlophe qwa, ulandelwa uma wami ongizalayo esimbelethweni sakhe, naye umama kangena emlandela ugqoke izinto ezimhlophe qwa, so nje ba-white from top to bottom, and amakhanda bawarephe engazi ukuthi uyabona inkolo yamaSulumane nendlela abagqoka ngayo, uthi bawarephe in that way kuvele nje amehlo namakhala. Bayangena, uthi omunye wahlala on my right side, omunye wahlala on my left side. Uthi Malwandle engazi ukuthi ngisebuthongweni obujulile, uyabona mangabe uzozizwa engazi ukuthi I'm in deep sleep. Kodwa in that deep sleep uyayibona futhi uyayizwa yonke into eyenzakalayo. Uthi ngazi ukuthi I'm in that deep sleep. Uthi bangene bahlale ngapha, ubaba was talking in a language that I didn't understand, and lento ayiphethe lesitsha asiphethe lamakhandlela awaphethe wakhipha into ephaketheni wayivuvuzela phezulu kwamakhandlela, and amakhandlela they bubbled. Umlilo wakhona ngazi started to bubble. You know when it bubbles like ama-cricket we festive mangabe siqhumisa ama-cricket masomhla 31 happy new year, uthi something like that, and it bubbled and it showed different colors. It went up in the air and it showed different colors. Uthi lapho I'm still sleeping, kodwa same thing as I'm still sleeping in my deep sleep, ngiyayizwa futhi ngiyayibona yonke into eyenzakalayo. Angazi noma ngangilele or I was subconscious or kwakwenzakalani, kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi yonke into ababeyenza nebabeyisho ngangiyibona. Ubaba was talking in a language engazi ukuthi is chanting. It's only now I've learned now sengikhulile ukuthi that language is only done by people who are chanting, and abasuke bekhuleka emoyeni ethile or bekhonza iziqe ezithile. So ubaba was doing that kind of a thing. Wayekhuluma in tongues, yabo, like engathi abazalwane bekhuluma in tongues, shabarababosha, something like that. Uthi akhuluma baba in tongues, akhuluma uthi mangabe khamba isikhathi, uthi funny enough engazi ukuthi I'm even conscious of time at this point, because zathi mazi si 3 a.m. in the morning uma waphuma kuleyo ndlu. Oh, uthi before uma wakhe aphume kuleyo ndlu, uma wakhe weza kuyena wambamba wamphakamisa. Remember is lo muntu lesikhuluma ngaye is more like engazi ukuthi umqondo wakhe awukho kuma senses wakhe wenyama, kodwa engazi ukuthi umuntu lo, engazi ukuthi umuntu possessed, mana ngazi ngichaza kanjani, kodwa mos uyayizwa life graduate ne, uyayibamba life graduate, engazi ukuthi umuntu highly possessed or umuntu highly deep in sleep. Uthi angazi kanjani, uthi ngambona umama weza kumina wangiphakamisa wangihaga wangicabuza esiphongweni, and uma she hugged me for a sweet long time, something that felt like almost 5 to 10 minutes engihagile uma, and then uma kaqeda ukungihaga wangihlebela endlebeni, what, it's gonna be fine, we are doing all of this for you and your sister. Uthi waphinda futhi uma wangicabuza esiphongweni, wangicabuza esihlathini, wangicabuza ama-lips, wangidedela wangibeka phansi embhedeni waphuma wahamba. Uthi makaphuma ahamba, ungambona ubaba khona lapho ekujuleni kokulala, ngambona ubaba ehlubula zonke izimpahla zakhe azigqokile, and uthi ngilele ngisebuthongweni kodwa ngiyambona ubaba uhamba ngaze like this in front of me. Like this in front of me. Uthe uma eqeda lapho wasusa i-duvet kancane, mekaqeda lapho wasusa izinto engangiyigqokile, wangiphakamisa wangikhombisa ina address, wayikhumula wayibeka eceleni. Uthi ubaba wangivula imilenze Malwandle. Uthi mind you ngilele kodwa ngilele, uthi ubaba wangivula imilenze. Wathi makaqeda ukungivula imilenze waqala wakhuphuka weza kumina esiphongweni qukula wangihaga isikhathi eside naye. Uthi mesuka lapho wehla wathatha lento yakhe angene nayo ecwebezelayo, engazi ukuthi lamakhandlela la kade lokho evuthele ukuthi asephinduke ayi-liquid of some sort. Uthi amathatha lamakhandlela wakhe wawathatha wawacontsisela from enkabeni yami ukwehla kuze kufike kwichofonoza yami. Makafika kwichofonoza yami akangacontsisela lento phakathi, kepha wayicontsisela esithweni sakhe sangasese. Mekaqeda lapho uthi ubaba ongizalayo wangilala. Uthi at this point sengiphaphamile, I am well aware of what is happening. I am in my sengisenyameli manje, isiphelile yonke lento engazuthi ngiyahallucinate. Uthi ubaba ongizalayo wangilala, hayi kamnandi Malwandle, hayi ngokuncenga. Uthi wangidlwengula wanginokubeza. Uthi ngangizwa engazi ukuthi dabuka amanyonga, indoda endala ingena, a baby ena 13, only 13. Uthi engena bdlapa. Uthi wangilala ngakhala ngathi ngiyakhala, wangibamba amakhala, wangibamba umlomo, wangibamba everything, wathi it's all gonna be all right. ngelinye ilanga uma usumdala uyokwazi ukuthi konke lokhu engikwenzayo ngikwenzela wena. Uthi Malwandle, I'm 13. I'm only 13. Uthi wangidlwengula, ubaba wangidlwengula ephindelela that night walala nami from that 3 a.m. up until 5 a.m. in the morning. Elele nami. Engiphindelela uthi amashidi abomvu tepu. Uma kaqeda wathatha amashidi wawagoqa, angazi wawagoqa wawashonisa wangithatha wasithatha leya calabash yakhe abade engene nayo ekuqaleni, wavulela amanzi ebathroom waconsisa leya nto yakhe kade engene nayo wangifaka emanzini wangishiya lapho. Uthi izikhathi manje abo past 6 in the morning, and then at that time uthi my mother came. Uthi when my mother comes to me at the bathroom, she was sobbing. Uthi I could see ukuthi my mother is crying, but uyabona umuntu omdala makakhala efihla kodwa engafuni ukuveza ukuthi uyakhala. Ukuthi my mother was sobbing. She picked me up, she took me into the bedroom, and then wahamba wayoprepare something eyayifana nokhamba kodwa engazi ukuthi yinto ebilayo, and then usumbhede sowulungisiwe sowuclean, uma sewucleanile umbhede sekundlalwe kabusha amashidi amasha and everything. Uthi waseprepare lento, makaprepare lento waqeda lapho wayithatha, uthi yashisa lento i-steam, engazi ukuthi into yokustima. Uthi wangithatha wangibeka kuyona wathi angihlale la 30 minutes uzongimonitha ukuthi kuze kuphele 30 minutes ngihleli kulento ishunqa la kumina ngaphansi. Uthi lapho ubuhlungu engibuzwayo engazi ukuthi ngigijinywa yiza amareza ngaphansi, ngazi ukuthi ngiyadabuka, ngazi ukuthi ngiyasha, ngazi ukuthi ngiyabila, sengijuluke ngimanzi ngiyaconsa co. Uthi I don't even know what to do with myself because abazali bami laba bangizalayo abenza lento kumina. Uthi Malwandle mangiqeda lapho uma wangithatha wangibeka phezu kombhede, phezu kwamathawula, wangisula. Uma kaqeda lapho wangithatha wangibamba wangihaga eside isikhathi. Uthi kwaphinde waqhamuka ubaba futhi wangishunqisela something, lento wayishunqisa. Uthi maqeda ukushunqisa lento mayephela ukushunqa, angazi ngazume kanini. Uthi kusho ukuthi ngalolo langa lelo ngalala usuku lonke ngoba ngaphaphama ngathi mangivula ikhetini ngaphandle ngabona sekukhanya ugesi, kusho ukuthi sekusebusuku again. Uthi waphinda wabuya futhi ubaba that very same night after the night. Uthi a night after the night, a night after the night, a night after night for 13 days ngivalelwe endlini. Abazali bami abangilethe emhlabeni benza lento kumina. Uthi I late learned ukuthi isithwalo sikababa sasifuna itshitshi lasekhaya. Isithwalo sikababa sasifuna igazi lasekhaya, igazi lakhe ngqo. Okubuhlungu kunako konke ukuthi uthe mangiqeda etertiary ukwenza i-biomedical science yami, ngaphuma ngoba ngumntwana ngumuntu ngiyaphila, kufanele ngihlangane nabantu empilweni, ngahlangana nomuntu esengimthanda ongithandile. Lento yayilokhu iqhubeka ubaba eyenza at an interval engangiqaphela ukuthi ubaba njalo kwase after the 13 days wokuqala ngathena 13 wangilala for 13 days kulandelana. Njalo ke manje kwase ukuthi after the 13 days into ayenza ubaba ukuthi wayenza sure ukuthi mangizongena kuma periods ulala nami ngikuma periods aze aphele. Uthi yona impilo leyo engiyiphilile ekhaya kwaze ukuthi ngiyaphuma ngiyahamba ngiyongena etertiary ngiyokwenza izifundo zami zo-biomedical scientist. Kaze ngawongena etertiary. Uthi I even remember Malwandle, even though ezinye izinto zazenzeke ngazi ukuthi ngikomunye umhlaba, kodwa I remember ukuthi there was a time where I missed my periods. Uma ngimisisha ama periods wami, uma wami weza kumina ngalelo langa ephethe amaphilisi amabili. Nokwenzeka emva kwalokho angikwazi, kodwa I am sure uma ngibuyisa ingqondo manje njengoba nami ngenza izifundo zaka biomedical science sengiyabona ukuthi baye ngikhipha isisu. Ubaba walala nami to a point whereby eze engimithisa ngingane yakhe, eqinisa isithwalo sakhe, ekhulisa umlotho wakhe. Ngithe mase ngimithi bangikhiphisa isisu ngingazi nokwazi. I'm not even aware of what is happening because I am living in an in a different world, but in a real world. Uthi the makaqeda lapho ngavalelwa-ke uthi ngenhlanhla leyo nto yenze kwakuvalweni ey'kole, uthi ngavalelwa lapho kwaphela about 20 days ngivalelwe ngilokhu ngitatazelelwa nje ngineswa ngilethelwa ukudla ngilele empeteni. Uthi emva kwaloko leyo nto yenzeka ngifunda umatric ngiqeda ukubhala izifundo zami zaka-matric, emva kwaloko ngahamba ngaya etheshari. Mase ngifika etheshari ngihlangana nomfana, sengibona abantu ngiqala impilo. Umfana uyangithanda, umfana ufuna ukungilobola, safunda saqeda. Yena umfana wayenza e-university, wayenza izifundo zokudokotela, mina ngangenza i-biomedical science. Uthi-ke umfana mengabe se-crazy ngami engithanda kangaka, sefuna ukungishada, umfana ufuna ukuzolobola. Uthi ubaba wala waphetha, washaya phansi ngonyawo. Wala waphetha ubaba washaya phansi ngonyawo, wathi akho ngane yakhe ezolotsholwa umuntukazana ungenalutho. Uyini yena ubaba walo mfana, banani kona kulo mfana, uspecial ngani ezoshada ingane yakhe enesigwili esinemali yonke. Kanti usho nje uyazi ukuthi vele njengoba esho kanje, impilo yami uyiqedile, uyimoshile wayiqeda, angeke ngisakwazi ukuba neyami ifamily ethi mina, angeke ngisakwazi ukuphila eyami impilo ethi mina. Uthi Malwandle ngenkani yami ngahamba ngayokipita, ngahlala nomfana loyo owakungafuna ukuthi alobole. Uthi angazi ukuthi kanjani noma nini engikwaziyo ukuthi ngamitha, I was excited ukuthi I'm pregnant, ngatshela uma ukuthi ngipregnant. Uthi la engaphaphama khona, uma kwangazi ukuthi uyangijabulela, is happy for me ukuthi impilo iyaqhubeka nywe. Uthi ngazala ingane yomfana. Uthi la engaphaphama khona Malwandle, ngaphaphama ingane yami yomfana, ubaba efuna ukuyibulala ngemithi yakhe nangezilwane zakhe. Uthi ngitshele ukuthi, uthi lalela ngikutshela indaba ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Leyo akabange sayixoxa iphelele. Uthi kodwa nje okwenzeka ukuthi ngoba she was at the ngabe ukwi-entry level ye-career, usaqala i-career yakho, ubusy, usebenza ama-overtime and everything. On the side, you are studying, you are improving your life, you are developing yourself academically. Uthi that was the situation I was facing, and that was the situation my husband as well was facing, because angisho uyazi Malwandle ukuthi mangabe kade ufundela izifundo zokudokotela fanele uqale useve kuqala. Asikise uqale ube intern, mawusuke kube ne-intern fanele uqale usebenze kahulumeni before you can actually make up the time ukuthi ke so uyakwazi ukuyozivulela eyakho your own tertiary. Uthi kwaba i-situation ekanjalo and sasibhizi mina ne-boyfriend yami le kwakufanele ngabe yayumyeni wami ubaba anqaba ukuthi ingilobole. Sibhizi into a point ukuthi sabona ukuthi ukuletha umuntu ozohlala ekhaya lethu full time is not gonna be good for us. They would rather take umntana to our parents. So uma uthi offered ukunginakekelela ingane, uthi the ingane yami mengabe ithena 1, ngafonela kwathi ingane yami iyagula, is critical, and uma igula ingane is critical, ngathi ngiyasuka emsebenzini njengamanje ngiyabuya ngize ekhaya, wathi umacha I'm gonna be able to take care of my grandson. You think ukuthi ngazala nina nodadewenu ngicabanga ukuthi ngahlulekwa ingane yakho, kanti ingane kuthiwa sebeyidlisa imithi bayenza bayiphendula umkhovu. Ingane to a point kuthiwa wathi eqambe efika eloke bemvimba bethi akangeza ingane izoba right, hayi ingane umkhuhlanyana nje. Uthi by the time efika, wafika ingane ulimi gone, itotolozi gone, amehlo gone, to a point ukuthi uthi ukuba akasukanga ngalolo langa akudazi inkani aye kuma wakhe. Ingane ngabo wafika sebeyingcwabile engazi nokwazi, wayengekayiboni nokuyibona yonke lento eyayenzeka enganeni yakhe. Loso story ke akangenanga deep into it, kodwa uthi thina namhlanje uma ngimbheka sibhekani naye, uyaphila ukhona Samuel emhlabeni, asibhekani naye. Angene ekhaya, udadewethu omncane, angazi noma she has been through to what I've been through, kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi impilo yakhe naye imile. Udadewethu ufundile right, uyena ke wayehlakaniphile kakhulu kunami, makakhula bese lokho sakaloka athi ufuna ukuba yipilot, but ngibuka uzenzile bamkhokhelile wahamba wayokwenza yonke lento yakhona ukuba yipilot, wathola ama license and everything, kodwa impilo yakhe indlela emengayo ngiyasola ukuthi naye khona into abamenza yona ukuze bakhulise lo mnotho wabo ukukhohlakala. Ingakho ngithe kuwena life graduate, uma ukuthi umzali unengane and khona into okholela kuyona empilweni, akukhuleke, ukhule kuqinisa, ukhuleke isisise. Uma ukholelwa kaShembe, ukholela ku-Allah, ukholela kuBuddha, ukholela kuMohammed, ukholela kuJesu, ukholela ekuthakatheni, whatever it is that you believe in. Akukhuleke ingane yakho uyikhulekele ngoba awazi ukuthi ingane yakho ihambe lapha emhlabeni ihlangane nomntwana obuya kuliphi ikhaya ohlangabezene nani okhule kanjani. Wena ubona intombi noma ubona isoka, ubona umyeni, umuntu ofuna ukukushada, umuntu ofuna ukukugana, kanti umuntu ukuzela nezigqebhezi ezinkinga ezingaka right from ikhaya lakhe, iy'nkinga az-inheritha from esesekwi-womb kama wakhe. Kunzima. Kade safika lesi story bengiloke ngingazi ukuthi ngisiqale ngalaphi because ama-voice note alo mntwana makasixoxa lesi story uyakhala. Ezinye izinto angizizwa kahle, I had to call her back to make sure ukuthi into engiyizwayo ngicabanga ukuthi iyona. Uthi for the very first time ngixoxa le ndaba because ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba ngixoxa nje mhlawumbe iyona ndlela engizosizakala ukuthi ngiphile ngayo, ngizosizakala ukuthi ngilapheke ngiphole. Ngisebenza emhlabeni ogcwele ama-psychologists, ogcwele odokotela, ogcwele abantu abaziyo ngezempilo, but le yami because bengiyazi ukuthi it's deeper than psychology. I just couldn't find it in my gut ukuthi ngivele nje ngihambe ngiyobhuka i-psychology ngifike ngiyitshele into enje, because this is the family deep dark secret. Ngoba uyayibona lento into eyayihleliwe ngingakozalwa. Uma beyazi, ubaba uyena ungqongqoshe wayo hamba phambili. The other family members that were busy engiyala on my 13th birthday, engitshela ukuthi ngingene ebufazini, engitshela this and that, angibazi-ke noma babazi noma babangazi noma babeluthekile noma babethengwe ngemali, kodwa ubaba noma ngiyazi ukuthi babengebodwa. And kuyimanje njoba ngikhuluma nawe emalwandle, ngibhizi ngihamba icala lokuthi uma wazama ukubulala ingane yami, azame futhi nokuthi ngiyingcwabe ngingekho, nokuthi wayikhipha amehlo, wayikhipha zonke lezi zicucu lezi bengikhuluma ngazo, ukuthi wathi uma ebona ukuthi angazi kuhluleka ini or mhlambe base be-improve besi-upgrade isithwalo sabo, babona ukuthi the best way ukuthi badile ngengane yami. Angazi ukuthi kusho mina yami impilo kwakufanele ime for the rest of the life of the rest nje of my life. Mina kwakufanele ngibe nempilo emile nse, yona yabe impilo ikhuphuke ikhule, baba benza izithwala after izithwalo bazi-upgrade babe nemali. I don't know for what, thina singajabulile singabantwana babo. Uthi-ke njengoba ngishilo, angazi udadewethu lo engimlamayo if she has experienced anything similar to what I went through, but ngiyambona ukuthi akayedwa. Naye-ke sengozama ukumsiza once I get through le case le yokubophwa uma nobaba ukuthi bazama ukubulala ingane yami, beqamba amanga bethi ingane iyagula inomkhuhlanyana, bengazange because I even have proof ukuthi azange baze bayise ngisho esibhedlela, because ngathi mengithi ngivezeleni ukuthi menithi nimsile kadokotela noma esibhedlela ufike wanikwani ukuze ngibone liphi ikhadi lakhe elishoyo ukuthi i-date uyile ngosuku ukuthi ukuze ngifollow up from there. Uthi there was nothing to show, which proves ukuthi nale ngane le ngangiyizele kusho ukuthi nayo yayizophenduka ibe umhlatshelo ukuthuthukisa amabhizinisi wala ekhaya. Kwazi bani mhlawumbe ubaba besefuna ukuba nama-Boeing 707, asazi. Kodwa nje ngikushoyo, ngisaphinda futhi ngiyakusho, ngiyeke futhi ukukusho, uma uyingane noma uma umzali uzela ingane, ake sibakhulekele abantu bethu. Singathi sibabiyela abantwana bethu, sibakhulekele, sabakhunga, senza yonke into ekufanele sibayenze, sabavikela, kodwa sazi ukuthi out there bazohamba bahlangabezane nani. Imagine now lo mntwana seyahamba empilweni, uhlangana labantu abamthandayo, abafuna ukumenza umfazi, abafuna ukuphila impilo naye. Where do you begin, or how do you even start to deal with such, or to ukulapha umuntu who's been through such? Ake sithi uyakuxoxela-ke, mhlawumbe uyakuthola isibindi sokuthi akuxoxele ukuthi udlule enini empilweni ngenxa yabazali. Where are you even going to begin to understand and to accept and to put this person into a level yokuthi alapheke emoyeni nasenyameni ukuze nikwazi ukuqala impilo yenu nobabili niqhubekele phambili? ngeza izandla mina. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle vele we are living in the end times. Hhayi, bengiloke ngibancenga abantu besisa ngithi bhalani, bhalani, bhalani. Ngisazoqhubeka ngithi ababhale kodwa yeyi, ziyangena izindaba eziphuma nasebantwini besilisa guys. Ezinye ngizifunda uhafu ngiyishiye phakathi ngithi hhayi, inzima. Kodwa zinzima zinjalo, one by one ngizosifunda isitori, ngisihlaziye, ngisi-analyze, ngizosixoxa la. Ngoba okubaluleke kunakho konke ukuthi asifuni ukuthi umuntu ahlazeke simdicelele phansi igama lakhe, asifuni ukuthi umuntu aziwe ukuthi uwubani. Okubalulekile ukuthi wena osekhaya funde emaphuthini abanye, qhubeka nokukhuleka, qhubeka nokukholela entweni okukholelwa kuyona. Kanti-ke ekugcineni kosuku ukuthatha lento engenabungozi ayinabungozi, hhayi ngiyazibuzela nje, ayinabungozi. Zama, uzobuya ngelinye ilanga uzosixoxela usibhalele isitori sakho la usukhala. Impilo ayinama-shortcuts, kanti-ke futhi impilo ayibekelwa nani. Ngiyakuthanda. See you on the next story. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.